In terms of committees, so on my listed company we're only a board of 4, so we're quite small. So we've elevated the role of the REM and NOM committee, so that's quite a busy committee. In some of the others, I'm on Occupant Safety committees. So in some industries, you really do need to understand occupational health and safety. And so if you're looking at a board where they've got a big workforce doing a lot of manual labour or tricky work, don't go on thinking that you can't understand occ health and safety, because you're going to be personally liable. So I'm seeing a lot more depth on occ health and safety committees. Capital committees, and some of mine now, are really starting to look at the capital, how we're spending our capital. Is it efficient? Are we getting the best bang for our buck? Risk, obviously. APRA insists on APRA-regulated entities that they have a separate risk committee, so I have a different view on that, but I'll do what APRA tells me on that. But I don't like risk being treated out here like it's a separate activity, but for committees, you do a lot of work in committees. In fact, for some of my boards, most of the work is done in committee.